You might not be able to crack a government medical college because cutoffs are sky high, but that doesn't mean your medical dream is over. If you're targeting Chennai, there are some seriously solid private medical colleges, and some of them are even NIRF ranked. Let's quickly break down some of the best private medical colleges in Chennai so you can choose smartly. Let's start with Savita Institute of Medical and Technical Sciences. This one has been ranked at 11 by NIRF. You know why? Savita has a massive multi-speciality hospital with strong patient inflow, so clinical exposure is unbeatable. Academics are also research focused, and students are encouraged to publish papers early in MBBS itself. Fees are on the higher side, but the exposure, digital learning systems, modern labs, simulation training modules, and well-maintained hostels justify it. Next is SRM IST. It comes with an NIRF rank of 18 and a strong brand value which goes beyond just Chennai. It is attached with the SRM Medical College Hospital, which offers decent patient load and simulation-based learning. Campus life at this huge residential campus is a big plus. Here, you will get multiple interdisciplinary learning opportunities with tech and AI integration, but the ROI depends on how you utilize these opportunities. Sri Ramchandra Institute of Higher Education and Research. Another trusted option known for its structured medical system, Ramchandra emphasizes evidence-based education and has dedicated research centers and super specialty departments. Hostels and campus are also well developed. Fees are a bit premium, but the ROI is actually quite decent due to reputation and training quality. Another solid private option is Chetinath Hospital and Research Institute. This one stands out for its integrated teaching hospital model within a healthcare city center. The focus is on early clinical exposure and competency-based training. Campus is modern and well-equipped. The total cost here is comparatively lower than top deemed universities, making it a balanced choice for ROI and exposure. Sri Balaji Medical College and Hospital, a decent backup option for private MBBS and multiple PG programs. But the highlight here is their tie-up with a large tertiary care hospital system and a wide range of PG seats. Infrastructure and labs are also well established, and clinical exposure is also ensured. But the fees here can go quite high, especially in certain quotas. So go for this one if budget is not your primary concern. To sum it up, private medical education in Chennai can sound expensive, but all these options have decent ROI and solid clinical learning. If you want to know about the cutoffs and admission process of these colleges or want more options for private medical colleges in Chennai, then WhatsApp Hey at 8585951111, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.